everyone, this is Shannon with Overland Trails Adventures. Welcome back. And today is exciting. We're in the CB Adventure Supply shop again.
Yeah, repeat offenders.
Repeat offenders, building a new rig, and it's going to be really exciting. Got Ryan here to talk about a little bit about what we're going to do. But first I want to touch base on why we're doing it. We chose a 2024 Toyota Tundra and a four-wheel camper Hawk flatbed, so we can establish a more work from the road situation where we can go on the road for longer trips, for estimated maybe a month at a time, go around the country, see all the different things, and still be able to maintain our jobs. And it's just kind of a dream of ours. And so with Ryan, more about what we're about to do.
Yeah, so we're getting ready to really transform this truck on this go. We're going to be removing the factory bed. We're going to be installing a MITS alloy 6.4 tray with the mud guards, wheel wells here in the US. We're going to do the under tray boxes. It comes with a trundle drawer that pulls out the back. And then we're going to do some suspension upgrades. Carrying this four-wheel camper is going to be a lot for this truck. So we want to set the truck up so that way once we drop that camper on, it's going to weigh 1,600-ish pounds. We want this truck to be able to handle that weight and carry it safely. So we're going to do Dobinson's heavy springs in the rear, along with the MRA shocks, which give you some adjustability to be able to control the dampening some. Yep. In the front, we're going to do IMS coilovers. We're also doing some extended sway bar links and airlift airbags. We'll see how that goes. Possibility we might have to do a sway bar, a heavier sway bar, but we're going to try that and see how it does with the weight. But yeah, I think that's pretty much what we're wrapping up on this section of the build, right?
This main phase, and then we're also waiting for a CBI front bumper to come in.
Yep.
So we'll be doing a CBI front bumper as well as a full assortment of Baja lights in that bumper. So it'll all be set to be able to go off-road, see everything we need to see, get to the places where we really probably shouldn't be going in some cases. But one of the big deals about doing it this way versus maybe doing a trailer is to have a full complete unit to where you don't have to worry about backing up, managing a trailer. It's all one contained unit. One of the key factors of the four-wheel camper Hawk 2 is the power supply. Yeah. It will have 3 135 amp hour Dakota batteries.
Yeah, Dakota lithium.
And that'll give us 405 hours of power. It will also be ran by the Red Arc Manager 30 system with the Rogue management system. Mm-hmm. And it'll also have the ready lift on it with actuators to where it'll automatically go up and down, mm-hmm. making it real easy to set up and tear down, as well as it will have the new featured pneumatic air conditioner. So in the hot summer times or night when you're just having trouble sleeping, you can automatically cool the unit down. We may have to add another battery or two here or there to kind of manage this power structure, but that's another great reason why I've come to Ryan and Libby at CB is to help understand all the different components and how they work together, how things come together. And I just can't thank Libby and Ryan enough for being the trusted advisors in this marketplace, having the contacts with the vendors that they do to be able to pull this project together, man. It's been really cool.
Awesome. We're looking forward to it, man. It's going to be a fun one.
Good deal. More to come on the build. We'll see you then.